Today I'm going to be reviewing OPPKEPT's bed sheet holder straps. This is what it looks like. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I'm going to put a picture up to show you how it works. So what you do is, whether it's a bed sheet, it could even be for a tablecloth if you're having a picnic, you put these at certain ends and it's going to pull the sheets tight. And I'm going to put a picture up to show you exactly how it works. Is it the easiest thing to use? It's actually not that hard, but when you look at it like this, it does look complicated. Most people seem to have good luck with this. One thing to remember is this goes like under the mattress. So it's going to go all the way under the mattress and then it's going to pull the sheets at the end. So just keep that in mind. This will work for all bed sizes, twin all the way up to California king or king. This does pretty well on Amazon. It gets 4.1 stars. I like to see 4.4. So there were some people complaining that it wasn't easy or a strap broke or anything like that. If you have any issues, just let OPPKEPT know and they will take care of you. But it is an Amazon choice. 100 plus of these were sold last month. I hope this review helps and I'll see you next time.